In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Fortnite topic validation fast and easy. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or simply a Fortnite enthusiast curious about trending topics, understanding how to effectively use Google Trends can be incredibly valuable. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, fire up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. Your goal is to navigate to the official Google Trends page, so click on the first link that appears. It should take you directly there. Once you arrive, look for the Explore option and click on it. This will bring up the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, within the search bar at the top, we're going to type in a specific Fortnite-related keyword or topic. You could use terms like Fortnite Battle Royale, Fortnite Creative Maps, Fortnite Skins, or Fortnite Live Event. These keywords are just examples. Feel free to use any terms you're curious about. Then, go ahead and hit Enter to commence the search. Once you've entered your keyword, it's time to set up some filters to tailor the data to your audience. At the top, you'll see a range of options to customize your search. For location, select the region of your target audience. It could be as broad as worldwide or more specific, like the United States. Next, choose a time range. A period of the past 12 months or even the past 5 years can provide insights into both current trends and long-term patterns. Under the category option, select video games to hone in on that specific niche. And if you're particularly interested in video content demand, switch the search type to YouTube search. With all this set, now you can analyze the interest over time graph. This is where you can gauge the trend's trajectory. If the interest is steady or rising, it might be a promising topic to explore. On the flip side, if it's declining or flat, the interest might be waning. Keep an eye out for any seasonal spikes, which could indicate big events or new game seasons. Valuable information for scheduling content. Scrolling down, you'll find the related topics and related queries sections. These are gold mines for further topic ideas. By switching between rising and top, you can identify either emerging trends to jump on or consistently popular content for more evergreen projects. Finally, for even more nuanced insights, use the Plus Compare feature. Here, you can add 2 to 3 other Fortnite keywords to see which ones are more popular or stable. This comparison allows you to prioritize topics based on solid data. Ultimately, the insights you gather should guide your decisions. Focus on Fortnite topics with high or growing interest, consistent demand, and a lot of rising related queries. By leveraging these trends effectively, you can strategically greenlight initiatives or pivot away from ideas that may not capture your audience's attention.